Hey, what's up? It's Privacy J here. Today, I'm going to be unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch is a console that it complains by the Nintendo 3DS and the Nintendo Wii U right here. So let's get on to the unboxing. So let me set up the backstage right here, and we have a Nintendo Switch console, a Joy-Con with gray, the color. I like the gray one. That's the color. That's my favorite color. L and right. That's L and R because it's left and right. Joy-Con straps, high-speed HDMI cable, Nintendo Switch dock, and some Joy-Con grip and Nintendo Switch adapter. So that's included in the box. So I'm going to use my GoPro right here. I'm going to record this, and let's get ahead and unbox it. So let me switch the camera right here. There we go. Wow. Wow. Plug it in. Wow. Oh. Well, this is a tablet right here. We'll come back after that. We got the Joy-Con grips right here. And also we have the instruction manuals right here. That's an instruction manual. That says a system update. That's a quick start guide. And we got a grip for the Joy-Con grip, for charging grip for Nintendo Switch. And we got a dock for the Nintendo Switch. Wow, look at that! The Nintendo Switch has a dock on it, on a beautiful bright dock everywhere. It has a USB on the back. Let's see what he got here. Oh, the AC adapter, USB, HDMI out. Oh wow, that's really cool. We got a wrist strap for the Joy-Con. That's from the straps right here. And also we got the HDMI port for the Nintendo Switch. Wow, that looks like that, just like Rock had. And finally, we had the AC adapter for the Nintendo Switch. It has a USB. Alright, that's enough for the box. So let's take a look of the Nintendo Switch. Oh, wow! Would you look at that? It looks like a tablet from the Amazon tablet or Android tablets or iPad tablets. Look at that! Wow! In fact, let me go do some Joy-Cons right here. Switch it back right here. And snap back. Wow! Look at that! Oh my god! Alright, so we got all the buttons right here, the pads, I mean the joysticks right here, or the whatever that is. Oh, the A, B, X, Y buttons, the same. The buttons right here, home button. Here we go. And also we have the things right here. And look at all of this, and also the stand right here. How can I? Watch out, hold on. Wait, is there something? A stand that has it? Oh no. I can't do this, so let me do that. I can't do that. The buttons right here, and oh, here we go. There's something fell out. Oh, the SD cards right here. It just fell out. It popped out easily. Now let's turn it. I got a volume button right here, and we have a power button right here, and a game card right here, and a headphone jack. And also I think that's it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see how that works. Wow. Here it is. See that, everybody? Alright guys, so we're gonna set it up. So I'll be right back in a few minutes. So I gotta set this up for this. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just set up the Nintendo Switch. So that was like last week, because I just set up my Nintendo Switch like last week. So even though these apps here, the games right here, that I only have one Nintendo Switch game is Super Mario Party, and so many more. And also I had fun because I love my Nintendo Switch. This is a Nintendo Switch unboxing for you guys, so hope you enjoyed. So if you're gonna subscribe for more content, it's a Privacy J Productions and a Privacy J Productions 2. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat will let you know all about it. Facebook, my name is Jaden Garcia, and Instagram name is JTech727, and Snapchat is Coolpix727. Thanks for watching, and peace out.